fruit, fresh meats, jams, preserves, butter, milk, our juices, and our breads and our croissants. So this is our room view today from our hotel, and then this is our wonderful breakfast. But I've got out of bed instead because I thought it'd be better to have breakfast on the balcony. Just woke up Father, so he'll be here in a bit, and we're going to enjoy this delicious breakfast and juice with our gorgeous view. So today we are heading out of the hotel for our first little venture into the beach area. So very looking forward to that. Of course I will give you a complete hotel tour, but I thought I'd do a day of relaxing. We are just doing our rocky hill down to the beach. So here's our little mountainous walk, but if you are feeling like the hills are too much, because they are very, very steep, this nice gentleman that walked past us said they do have the hotel, if you ring reception, they can come and collect you from the beach and bring you back up if it's too much on your legs. So here is the beach. This is our sector of the private beach area, which I think we've got to go all the way down the bottom to get. It might just be this section here. It's very easy on the beach. All these lovely lounges, which are very nice. You get given these lovely towels as well, the Mykonos towels, and you get this nice little headrest. So I'll show you this is the pool. I told him to put it down so he just sun. His dad just chilling. Just me at my feet. And the lucky man is selling handbags of Louis Vuitton. So much of let me know what you've enjoyed so far, and also let me know what you think of the extended EasyJet holiday. So we'll still very thankful to them. Yeah, let me know how you're getting on, guys. How is the weather? It's like 38, 39 in England. Very unbearable apparently, so I bet you're wishing for aircon. But yeah, let me know what you think below, and let me know how you're getting on so far. Guys, we are currently on the rocks, as you can see. But I would show you the nice view of the gorgeous little rock pools and the lovely sound of water gushing in and out. It's very nice here on the private beach, so I'm feeling very, very grateful to be here for some extra few days on our holiday. hotel complex right here in the middle, but it starts at the bottom, goes right up to the top. It's just arriving on the helicopter, so it's going to land on the helipad complex, so maybe we might have a celebrity. Where our room is, so we're in a different restaurant tonight, just getting our still moved forward, and we're in the Greek restaurant. It's going to be some Greek. Our first course of salad. So we have chicken, salad and pizza.